And that it. All right. So, oh yeah, look at that. That is so cool. Here are the buses. How do they come out of there? Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we got something really cool for you. It is a mix of two companies. Now you guys know that Hot Wheels has had slot cars many times over the years, and you know, they were done with Tyco, and actually Mattel owns Tyco, but not this time. This slot car track that I have here in front of me is from Auto World. So Auto World got the licensing from Hot Wheels to produce a Hot Wheels slot car set. Now a lot of guys like myself grew up with slot cars. I had the you know, the larger 1/32 set, and of course a lot of the HO stuff. Actually, that's how I got into Hot Wheels. Is you know, I would modify my slot cars to make them look like the cars on the street. And when Hot Wheels came out, you know, they were already done. They had slicks and mag wheels and superchargers and trick paint. And, you know, I pretty much forgot about slot cars once the, you know, Hot Wheels showed up. So I got these in the mail from our friends at Auto World. Auto World got the licensing from Mattel, from Hot Wheels, to produce a Hot Wheels drag strip set with Snake and Mongoose buses. All right, you know, it's one thing to get the Snake and Mongoose, and then again for the buses. As you can see, they sent a few other things too. A Hot Wheels clock, and that is definitely going up on the wall in my office. I showed everybody this stuff earlier in a preview episode, and but this is what's here. The Polar Lights Hot Wheels Charger model kit, and an AMT Hot Wheels Monster Truck model kit. And these are really cool. You can see, you know, it's just got a blown Hemi in it. Really cool, early looking funny car. We're gonna put these over here for now, and we're going to get to the slot car set. And the slot cars, they also sent me some other, you know, some loose slot cars. And I want to show you those. Here is the traditional red Mongoose funny car, the Duster. And the traditional yellow Snake funny car, the Cuda. And here is the Snake 2, done in white. This is the Cuda. And the Mongoose 2, this is a Duster. And there is a Snake and Mongoose slot car set from Auto World with these two cars, the normal, you know, the Duster and the Cuda. So let's look at this. We're going to put these over here. These, you know, you guys know slot cars, any slot cars, HO stuff, you know, runs on any slot car set, unless it's a battery set. You don't want to do that. So we're going to put these over here. We're going to open this up. I got the trusty fishing knife, and this is a sealed set. We're going to slice the seal. And there's one over here too, and one over here, and that it. All right. So, oh yeah, look at that. That is so cool. Here are the buses. How do they come out of there? They are stuck in there pretty good. There we go. Come on, get out of there. Oh well. Let's see. There we go. I got it. There is the Mongoose drag bus. And of course, you guys know that the drag bus was done by our good friend Phil Reelman, Hot Wheels designer. And the drag bus is definitely one of the most sought after castings for Hot Wheels collectors. Everybody loves the bus. Let's get the snake out here. You got to push them from behind. There's a little tab on the plastic. So there we go. There is the snake drag bus. So we got the Mongoose and the snake. And put those there. Look at that. That is just so cool. I love that. Man, that is awesome. All right, got our instructions. Now, another cool thing about this set is, can't forget your guardrails. This is a drag strip. All right. So now, why wouldn't you have orange track for your Hot Wheels slot car set, right? These guys thought of everything. Orange slot car track to go for, I think it's 13 feet. 13 feet of drag racing. And look at that. Hot Wheels. And this is the start gate, start line. Let's see what else we got in here. We got the, got a finish gate. Look at that. Start line. That goes up here. Put that right in there. Put that one in there. Be careful. These, it is got some small parts here. So don't want to bust it. Well, I don't want to bust it. So I'll leave that there for now. Finish line. And is there a, oh, look at that. Push them down. And when you go through, boop, the winner. That is so cool. Huh, that's awesome. That's great. All right, cool. So we got start and finish line. And another thing that I just noticed is it's got some dead track too. So when you when the cars go, actually when you want them to stop instead of flying off, there is a track with no juice in it, so it slows them right down. That's pretty cool. I like that. Anything under there? Nope, nothing under there. And our controllers and our power pack in here. Yep, power pack. All right. So controller. You got your stickers. Gotta have stickers, right? Put on there on your finish line. And that is it. This is a really crazy cool set, man. Put your two drag buses over here. Got your start line, and that's pretty. You know, you could just display these on your shelf. You know. What? I got some snake and mongoose stuff down in there, so we could put that down in there. So, But I'm sure we are going to put this together. I don't have enough room here for 13 feet of drag strip, but I'll tell you what, my office, we are definitely going to set that up, and we're going to have some slot car fun. We're going to see which one is faster, the Snake or the Mongoose. And by the way, my favorite has always been the Mongoose. Sorry, Don, you know, but yeah, mine has always been the Mongoose. I like red, so, you know, red's cool, and it's my favorite color. So whichever one you like, the Snake or the Mongoose, let us know in the comments. And you know what, let us know a little bit about you growing up with slot cars and with the Snake and Mongoose. You know, the comments are there for, you know, for those reasons. So really appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you like this set. You can get it directly from Auto World. Go to the Auto World website, and let's see, is there a oh, look at that, safe setup reminders. You get all kinds of cool stuff in here also. Let's see, but yeah, just go to the Auto World website. I'm sure it is, well, here is the website for all of the slot car stuff, and that is round2corp.com. ROUND, the number 2, CORP.com. All right, and they have the Snake and Mongoose 2 drag set, which is these right here. They have the drag bus set. They have the Country Charger Chase. That looks pretty cool. But yeah, they have other, oh, they have a semi-frozen extreme conditions. And oh man, tractor trailers, that's cool. But yeah, they got lots and lots of really cool slot car stuff at Auto World. And of course they have their own line of die-cast, Auto World and Johnny Lightning. So again, thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. We always appreciate you guys coming by. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. And please leave a comment below. And of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. We hope to see you soon somewhere. Who knows, right? All right. Bye-bye.